Hey guys, it's Nikki. Today, we're going to talk about the 20 ways that you can save money on your groceries. On this channel, you're going to find the best in personal finance, debt payoff, productivity, and anything that's going to make your finances easier. The first thing that you want to do to save money on your groceries is stop buying name brand. You don't need to buy those name brand products. Half the time, they're exactly the same product, just put in a different box. So the next time that you want to reach for a name brand product, check the ingredients list and see if it's exactly the same thing as the name brand product. If it is, chances are it's going to taste exactly the same. Number 2, stop buying at eye level. Everything at the eye level of the store is expensive. Look up and look down. Number 3, if your store offers rain checks and they run out of a really great sale, make sure that you go up to the sales counter and get yourself a rain check. Number 4, an oldie but a goodie. Don't go to the store whenever you're hungry. If you're starving to death, you're going to load up on a bunch of junk that you, first of all, probably don't need, and second of all, is gonna be expensive. Number 5, avoid prepared and pre-cut foods. These things are a convenience item and they are costing you way more money than you need. Number 6, eat in season. Number 7, if you have a recipe that requires exotic spices, go to an international market that services that type of food, and then you'll be able to find your spices way cheaper. Number 8, avoid bottled water. You're paying tons of money for bottled water, and you can just get it free in your tap. Or if you can't stand your tap water, get yourself a pitcher that filters out your water, and then it will still be way cheaper than bottled water. Number 9, make a list before you go to the grocery store and make sure that you stick to it. Number 10, use store pickup services. This is going to save you from going inside the store, which is going to keep you from those impulse buys. Number 11, you're going to want to leave those big spenders at home. I'm talking about those kids that always want to put everything in your cart and those partners who just can't live without those favorite items. Number 12, start an herb garden. If you like to use fresh herbs whenever you are cooking, you need to invest in a little herb garden. It's so expensive to buy fresh herbs at the store and you're only getting a few sprigs of it. It's just not even worth it. Number 13, avoid the end caps and displays as much as possible. I know it's so convenient just to grab it at the end of the aisle, and if it's on display, it's really tempting as an impulse buy, but that is the reason why they put those items there, to encourage you to buy them, even though there's things in the inner aisles that are cheaper. Number 14, use a rebate app. I'm talking about Ibotta, Rakuten, used to be Ebates. These things are going to be great ways for you to get some of your money back after you purchase. Number 15, shop with a calculator. This is going to help you avoid the embarrassment of needing to put stuff back at the end of your grocery shop if you're using cash. Number 16, shop your pantry first and then meal prep around what's in your pantry. Number 17, paying cash. Number 18, consider using a budget-friendly store. So I shop at Aldi and it has saved my family literally hundreds of dollars a month. Number 19, you want to get those green thumbs out again because it's growing your garden in the warm months. I live in Ohio, so a garden is not feasible all year round, but the seasons that I can grow a garden, you better believe I do it. Number 20 is to learn the sales cycles at your local grocery store. So no matter where you go, they're going to have cycles that they use for their sales. So like my grocery store, they run a cycle on avocados, and oh boy, I love avocados, but I am not paying almost $2 an avocado. That's just crazy. So there you go, the 20 things that's gonna save you money whenever you go to the grocery store. That's it for the video. If you liked it, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing, and leaving a comment below anything that you want me to talk about in a future video. Until next time, live your best life. Bye, guys.